Hi, I'm Alex with DeltaPlus Corporation. Today, we're talking about our DetectSpec series, a line of metal and X-ray detectable eyewear and hearing protection, which includes the Helium 15, Helium 18, ErgoFit 3, and Quattro. What sets this series apart from the competition is their metal and X-ray detectability, ideal for food processing, pharmaceutical industries, and many more industrial applications where detection is required. First, let's talk about the Helium 15 and 18. These glasses were designed for workers who don't want to wear heavy eye protection. The Helium series is super light, ultra comfortable, and practically disappear from your face. Workers will forget that they're wearing any safety glasses at all, increasing usage and compliance. The Helium 15 is the industry's lightest, truly distortion-free eyewear, which weighs only 15 grams. It's designed to fit narrow to medium faces, while the Helium 18 at 18 grams is designed to fit medium and wide faces. The ample nose pad also reaches further inwards to allow better fit on a wide range of facial profiles. Superior fit and comfort are key to protecting your workers. Both Helium styles are designed with ErgoFit temples, which follow the contour of the wearer's head and lie flat for a secure, no slip, no pinch, extraordinarily comfortable fit all day. And because they are thin and contoured, they still feel very comfortable under earmuffs and are compatible with all types of personal protective equipment. The DetectSpec series lenses feature an 80% visible light transmission indoor blue tint for visual detection of lens parts in food processing applications. Very few foods are blue, so this color stands out. All lenses have our SuperCoat long-lasting washable anti-fog coating, with excellent anti-fog, anti-scratch, and anti-static performance while providing 99.9% UV protection. The third product in our DetectSpec series is our ErgoFit 3. The ErgoFit is a lightweight protector designed to be worn over most non-protective prescription glasses. The frame has adjustable temples, and the lens is designed to maintain a space between the prescription and the safety glasses lenses, avoiding the risk of two lenses rubbing and scratching. The ErgoFit 3 offers the same great lens features as the Helium, 80% VLT indoor blue tint, and superior SuperCoat washable anti-fog coating. This is a great option for protecting new workers that wear prescription glasses until they can get prescription safety glasses. It is also a perfect visitor safety spectacle that can be worn over visitors' prescription glasses or just by themselves for eye protection. And completing the metal detectable series are the fully metal detectable, corded, and reusable Quattro earplugs. Like the DetectSpec's temples, all components of the metal detectable Quattro plugs and cords are injection molded and infused with a proprietary metallic additive that make chopped up fragments of the plugs or cord metal and X-ray detectable. Quattro plugs are designed with a patented, contoured, four-flange design that puts more material in contact with the ear canal for an excellent seal and protection. These universally sized, self-contouring earplugs fit almost anywhere, so they'll accommodate a diverse workforce. It has an industry-leading EPA noise reduction rating of 27 for reusable earplugs. Quattro is made from an advanced, ultra-soft, non-allergenic proprietary polymer material which is non-irritating. With a built-in handle, these plugs are hygienic to handle and easily inserted and removed while delivering all-day superior fit and comfort. In addition, Quattro material is resistant to earwax and body oils. These are washable and can be reused for weeks with no loss of comfort or effectiveness, far outlasting PVC earplugs. Quattro are made in the USA. They feature US military national stock numbers and are independently certified and laboratory tested. For more information on the DetectSpec series from DeltaPlus Corporation, formerly Elvex, visit DeltaPlusCorp.com.